Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing well. As promised, we are back with one more altcoin prediction series. Yes, like I told you last time, we are going to sit together and try to figure out what is going to be the bear market lows for this cycle because I don't know what is going to happen. Believe me, nobody knows what is going to happen. All you need to do is make a plan so you don't end up, buying every tip that you see happening in every push down because every price drop which is happening, people are calling it as capitalization, and this is from where we'll go to 100k Bitcoin. Believe me, like I explained to you in the last video, you're going to wait. We are going to wait together for a market structure to develop and show us that actually is this the reversal point or not. If we put our money during this time, will it be safe or not? Yes. If you haven't watched the market structure video, I'll highly recommend watching that video because a lot of information I've given that video. So try to complete the video full so that you will get and all the information I wanted to pass on. Okay, so yeah, this is the series we'll start with, which is the altcoin predictions. Uh, I have actually made a list of all the altcoins over here. We are going to cover two altcoins every day. I'll do my best to do that. And as we make drawings and predictions for the lows, we'll start putting them in this playlist, and you can revisit them as and when you see a drop to set your buy levels and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I'll suggest you make a playlist like this and keep adding on over here. Okay, so this playlist will include the coin you want to trade, BTC, and the coin and the BTC pair. Okay, because this is the most important thing. This is the first thing actually you have to note, because if you are investing a coin which is performing bad against BTC, then there is no point buying that coin because then you will be good enough just to invest in BTC than take so much risk, and it is bleeding against its BTC value. I know a lot of people don't understand BTC pairing with alts, but this is a very important point to note because when the BTC dominance goes up, basically you can predict that the bear market is finishing and the bull market is about to start. You will always see BTC rally first, and if it is a sustained rally, only then you will see alts will start, performing better in their BTC pair, and then maybe you can rotate some money from your BTC investments to your alt investments because everyone, all big investors in the market, they normally do that. All this thing that you see is posted on Twitter that buy this coin, that coin. Nobody does that, believe me. Everyone just buys BTC because money always follows a cycle. First, it will be BTC rally, then it will flow to large cap coins like Ethereum and all, and then it will flow to small cap coins, and finally to meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba, and all that. Yeah. So you find out how to place your coins market cap wise, and then you will have a better idea. Yes. So I will suggest not to buy altcoins because they will just keep bleeding with their BTC pair. If you just take this ADA BTC chart, you can see that there is a good amount of support over here, and there is also a good amount of support over here. Yes. So if you see this dropping down and consolidating somewhere over here, and then it starts taking off like the pattern which happened over here, you can just draw a basic trend line over here. Yeah, when it's above this trend line somewhere over here, then you can consider shifting some money from your BTC investments to your alt investments. Yes, or else there is no point. You take so much risk, and it just bleeds against the BTC value. You might as well take a lower risk, put your money in BTC, and just you know uh, capitalize on that. Okay, so yeah, with this I hope I have made this very clear. So keep an eye on the alt BTC pair before making a choice to invest or not, and I would personally wait out this cycle. I would want to see a market structure developing in Bitcoin, and then thinking about shifting my money into altcoins as in when I see their BTC pairs doing good. with said, having said that, understand there is a difference between trading and investing. So trading is always an option, but long-term investing, which you're looking for a period of 1 year or more, you should really follow this analysis, because there is no point holding or making an investment for 1 year and then getting no benefit out of it. Then you have just wasted 1 year, and might as well put it in the bank and let it depreciate 6% over a year. Yes. So now coming to USDT pair, I know I have not made any video about how to do a technical analysis. So I'll keep it as simple as possible so everyone can understand this. Yes, I will do exactly how I would approach the market if I was you, and how I would prepare myself if this is the coin I wanted to invest in the for the next bull cycle. So you can have an idea how to make price predictions. Yes, one thing you need to understand is crypto market is very volatile. Okay, so don't worry, you will never miss out on runs. So don't think that this is the bottom and you're going to miss out. Have patience. Patience is the most important thing. If you note, this is a daily chart we are working on, and this might take out 3 to 4 months to play. So make your decisions wise. Okay, when you're investing a bulk money in spot, you need to make all kind of decisions. You need to find all kind of confluences. Only then go and put your money. Don't just draw a trend line like everyone else is showing you. So okay, this to this here, this is a support, because all people are doing is increasing this 1x to 4x and touching some channel and telling, oh, now we are in very good support, go and buy. You end up buying here, and then this coin starts falling by 30-40%. You keep watching it going down and you can do nothing about it because you have put so much money in. So never go all in a market, never go all out in a market. Always ladder by your ins and take profits. As we go up, take profits. Then you can use that profit to build up your portfolio and not sit and lose out. Okay, having said that, one thing I've noticed in crypto market is that parallel channels, they play a very good role in identifying support and resistances, and where you should get in the market, where is the market peaking, where is the market bottoming. Okay, so make it a habit to draw parallel channel. Of course, it will come with experience as and when you see, depending on the time frame you use, the type of parallel channel you make will matter a lot in long term investing. Okay, so if you see, I have identified a good parallel channel over here. You need to draw it regularly. Once you draw it more and more, you will get a good experience from it. Okay, you see, this parallel channel is working perfectly from last market lows to last market top, and now we have bottomed out. Okay, so according to this channel, if I took a trade over here, I put a support zone over here because last support, I actually took this trade in spot. So very good trade for Cardano, and it took some profits as in when we started pushing off. You can see Fibonacci level forming. So I removed at 0.618 level. Yeah, but this was a good trade. You can see it's almost 50% profit in spot, easy money. But you need to draw these channels. Yes. So first you need to understand is that first the price has tested this point. Okay, next time when it drops, you don't know what this coin will do. Okay, but what I mentioned in my last video, that BTC still has a potential of dropping at least 20-25%. Yeah, so now you remember last time I told you about gearing ratio. People who have not understood what a gearing ratio is and still haven't found what are the gearing ratios for this coin, I'll just you can watch the video that I've posted. I'll post a link below in the description. But if I remember correctly, Cardano's to find the gearing ratio, basically we follow the same plan. Go to BTC, find how much BTC dropped. You can see 25%. Dates 6th to 21st of September. Come back to your coin, find the same dates. Yeah. So I will be looking for 6th of September. Okay, somewhat around here to around 21st of September. Yeah, something like this. 36% roughly. Yeah, it doesn't need to be exact always. So if you divide Cardano's price drop divided by BTC's price drop, which is 25. So 36 by 25 is giving a gearing ratio of 1.5 to be exact, to be rounding it off. Okay. So now you know that if BTC drops by 25%, Cardano will drop by 45%. I think maths is correct. So let's just find. So 1.5, yeah, into 25%, yeah. So yeah, roughly 40% it will drop, yeah. So you need to find that around this 40% drop, are there any confluences? You can see that there is one support over here which can help you. There is one support over here which can help you. Yes. Now I can draw a band like this and tell you that, okay, this is the buying zone. Okay. But if market worked just on the principle of support and resistance, then people would not do so much technical analysis. Yeah. The whole thing you have to understand is during this drop, if I am seeing a support, are there any other confluences around? Okay, because you cannot base technical analysis in crypto market just on one parameter. Because basically with naked eye, if you see that this is a long term support, yes, from 2020, from COVID lows, the support has come. So this is a very big support. So when a support breaks, there is a lot of liquidation in this range. You can see the market, lots and lots of liquidation in this range. Yes, one day I will cover this topic about vector candles and how to identify fair value gap and liquidation points. But you can see how big the candles are in the daily time frame. Yes, so that means there is a lot of liquidity here. Okay, so the market maker is always interested to come to points like this so that he can match limit buys and limit sells. Don't worry, I'll explain the concept one day in details to you. But if there is a drop, there will be a cascading of liquidations and price will move down very fast, yes, because this is a long term support. So if you're planning to buy something here and hold it, it is not going to work out. You need to trade with stop losses. Okay, so now you need to find areas of confluences. Okay, so first thing I always do is Fibonacci level. Okay, so if I draw this over here, I'll just switch the point 382 off over here. Yeah, so if I draw this, you see 0.5 is coming here and 0.618 is coming here. Okay, now for me, I know that the drop will happen somewhere around this zone. Now, which is the biggest support around this mark? 0.5, you see, here you have a very good support from the last drops that happened. This is a very good support. So you can mark it off as my 0.5 support of the impulse wave. Okay, and then the 0.618 identify supports. You can see there is very good support over here, and this you can mark as the 0.618 support level of impulse wave. Okay, now you see you got a band here to work on, basing on Fibonacci level and support level. Now we have put two confluences in and around, okay, by Fibonacci and by support and resistance. Now the third confluence I would like to use is the volume profile. Yeah, so the volume profile works very good in crypto market. I will make a detailed video about this. So if you see, this is something called as the point of control. If you follow my Twitter and Telegram channel, you will see I post a lot of volume profile, point of control indicators in my analysis. So I would take this as point of control. Okay, and you can see that there is a lot of support in the point of control mark. Yeah, so before this was acting as resistance over here, resistance over here, and resistance over here, and then it acted as support over here, and market took a good push. Yeah, so they work really well. So you can mark this in your charts and you can write point of control. Okay, now I've got 3 points. Yes, if I just go all in this point, let's say I mark this as the first entry zone. Yes, and I go all in over here, and price keeps dropping because you don't know that is the market going to make a structure over here. Okay, it is not going to just go down in a straight line and come up. So you need to make confluences. Yes, so from here to here will be a 45% drop, and from here to here will be further 63% drop. So why just hold the position? I don't understand. Yes, uh, if you go all in over here, then you get stopped out over here. If you take a trade, if you think of a trading perspective, okay. So why not divide your money? Let's say you want to invest $1,000 in Cardano. Now you can split the money over a layers. Yes, you can see in the band that we are working on. Is there any other support? You can see one support is over here. Okay. So why don't you place four limit orders, one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. Now let's say you put 25%, 25, 25, as you can put in as in when whatever you decide, that's up to you completely. But if you do this, then it doesn't matter what the market does. What you have done is you have bought when the market was continuously going down, and your average buy price comes up somewhere here. Yeah, it's not here, it's not here. Don't be greedy. Nobody can pick out the exact bottom, nobody can pick out the exact top. You just need to make an average entry. Yeah, this is what we call DCA, yeah, dollar cost average. This is the zone. Okay, so if you make something like this, then you don't need to worry because it's a long term investing. Yeah, so you don't need to look at it every day. You just need to put limit orders. Never buy in market because there is a lot of fees included in it. One day I'll make a video describing how to place limit orders and all that. So now I have identified four zones. Okay, now all I need to do is have patience. So this is my whole buy zone for Cardano, and you can just write it over here that this is the buy zone, however you want to call it, buy zone slash BCA zone, however you want to call it, and just leave it over here. Yeah, put some alerts. All you need to do is go here. You see this plus button, click here, alert, click here, alert, alert, and alert. Yeah. So once you see all these alerts are already registered, as and when the price will drop, you can easily get an indication of what is going on, and then you make a decide. If you see BTC is not finding any support, then you can lower your buy levels here, and you can increase your buy levels here. Yes, as make it a point to buy as low as possible, because most people don't realize it. But if you just take these 2 points, this is simple mathematics. Yes, let's say you bought something here. Yeah, now this support broke and we are going down, and the support has become resistance. Yeah, people don't sell out of their positions. Yeah, and they wait for this drop of 65% to happen, which is around or near the next support. Yeah, if you can, if I just shift this over here, you can see this was exactly the next support. Yeah, so they are ready to go down by 65%. Yeah, but if you sold here and bought back again at this support, then you see the gain that you're getting over here. This is 209% gain. Yes, this is a big gain. Even if not this, take from the point it is retraced again, 72% gain. That is what I'm trying to tell you, that when market is coming down, you keep buying, and when market is going up, you keep selling. Yeah, don't hold on to losing positions. This is crypto market. This is not stock market that the drop is 5% over a period of 1 month. There are huge amount of drops here. It is very, very volatile. You will never miss out. So basic maths, but people don't realize this. Yeah, so keep this in your mind, and I hope you understand the basic technical analysis. Now there are other ways of going about it. You can draw a parallel channel over here and join this low, and hopefully this will come down somewhere over here to this low and hit your buy orders. But yeah, keep it as simple as possible. You see how easy it is to find out few zones, okay, and place your limit orders. Yeah, and I don't normally generally invest in coins in bear market if they are not below 90%. Yeah, you can see here is the 90% mark for Cardano, and from our buy zone it is almost from 97% to 93% range. Yeah, so this will be a very good range to buy. Yeah, and if I just put the retracement tool, sorry, if I just put the retracement tool over here, extension tool, then you would see that my price targets for the next cycle is coming in this band. So not that this will happen, this is just technical analysis. So if you make your average buy over here and you start your bull market, then you see this is easily giving you a price growth of 5,000%. Okay, so this is how you make technical analysis. I hope this video has helped you and I hope you can take something out of it. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe our channel. Please retweet and share with your friends and encourage as many people to join us, because we are really here to give you an unbiased analysis in crypto market. Not just, I'll never tell you to buy the dip. You are in charge of your money, and I just show you my perspective of it, and I am normally quite transparent with this. Okay, having said that, guys, I think this video has covered a lot, being a long video, but because this is the first price prediction video, I wanted to keep it simple but detailed. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye.